Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Sorry if you hear some background noise, that's my sister playing the flute, which is very infuriating because she's not even playing a song right now, she's just randomly blowing into the flute. Anyways, this is just a devlog. I'm like working on this, I'm like, oh, well, why don't I just record it since I'm going to be working on this for not that long, because, you know, so much fucking work from all my teachers because they don't respect your time. But anyways, um, I was just in the middle of doing the toilet paper. What I did was I created an extra slot, so here I can show you what I just did. So over here is where you have like, so okay, you know, let me go down here. So you see I just added that extra slot, and then I added the code to make it work. So there's two things that I need to add, sorry, three things. So the first thing, you know how you have the actual slot, but then you actually have to like register it. So that's what this is. It's saying, all right, you're adding a slot to the container. It's at these coordinates. In this case, these coordinates, this slot is referring to that other slot that I showed you. This one on the right. Alright, and then, so that's the first thing. Second thing is, you know how when you hold down shift and then you left click the item and it goes into from your inventory into the actual slot automatically without you having to drag it? And then vice versa, of course, that's the third thing. So you actually need to do that each time for each slot when you want to bring it into your inventory, I believe. Here, wait. No. Okay, so you want. Okay, so wait, what's this? Okay, sorry, my bad. So originally it was only this if statement. Whoops. This if statement and this else statement. So if the slot is less than one from slot that is greater than, sorry, less than one, then it's gonna it's going to transfer. When you hold shift left click, it's going to transfer the item from the toilet entities, not toilet, tile entities inventory into the player's inventory. You have to do that again with the second slot, and then here I just had to change the end index to 2 because originally it was at 1, so the second index would be my second slot. I haven't actually tested this, so you know what? I'm just gonna make this cardboard first. So my plan right now is just to make the cardboard and add it into the game. Not sure if I'm gonna put a crafting recipe, but my idea for what the artwork will be is if I just go into desktop, my whoops, Java crap textures, assets, Minecraft. If I go down to textures, items, I just want to grab the paper.png. Whoops, paper. Drag that into here. Import it. Alright. Now what I can do, I'm just going to use the colors that I used for my other texture. Oh, for the fertilizer. And that is the other thing I want to show you. So we have two colors. We have a darker white and a lighter white. So I'm just going to do... So cardboard is like these two colors. So I'm just going to do... That's the darker one. And this is the lighter one. There we go. I think that looks like cardboard. Or just looks like a sheet of poop. Either way, I don't really care. So we can just do this. Rename this to cardboard. Now we can just maximize this or expand that. And just drag this into the items folder. Refractor. Okay, so now we've got the texture in. We haven't actually gotten anything else. That's the only thing that... Why is it gray? Whoops. Cardboard. Oh, whoops. Okay, resize this to 12. Did it do it? Yeah, it did. Now we can drag this in, and that way it'll automatically resize. Okay. Okay. My bad. Okay, wait, sorry. I have to go back to the original texture. Okay, let's do that. Oh, that's just gray because it's gray. Okay, so you know what? We can use this dark color as that gray. Whoops. There we go. That looks good. Don't delete that. Not what I wanted to do. Now we can export it, download it. Just delete this. Delete. Drag this over to items. Refactor it. And I'm assuming we can just take one of the models for the items, one of the simple ones, such as, let's just do, I don't know the one, where is it? Fertilizer, human fertilizer, there we go. So just copy, paste, refactor this to cardboard, and yep, cardboard. There we go. I'm getting used to this. It's actually the thing I hate the most about making Minecraft. Well, not the most. It's the thing that I dislike the most because it's not. I actually, this is my favorite project I've ever done with coding. I like making my other games and such, but this is really fun. I don't know why. Okay, so we've got all of that. Now we just have to do it here. So I'm just gonna do item.cardboard.name equals cardboard. There we go. Sorry, I still have allergies. And now we can go up to... Okay, you know what? I'll just create a new Java class, and we'll just call it item cardboard. And we'll do we'll extends item, and we'll create a constructor, public item cardboard. I can't believe I still have it, even after switching to Unity and not having to deal with any of this stuff. Like, we didn't use constructors when I did Unity at all, actually. And we just want to pass in string on localized name. Okay, I'm just gonna check in to see what. Okay, you know what? I can just copy this, right? Like that. There we go. My apologies again. God damn it. Now we can go into items. And we can do, where is it? Item.toilet paper. So we can do public static item. And we'll say cardboard. Then we need to initialize it just like we did with the toilet paper. So we'll do cardboard equals new item. Item cardboard. We'll set the unlocalized name to cardboard. There we go. And now we have to register it, of course. So let's go down here. And actually, this should not be with upgrades. I'll just put this... Actually, technically, this should go down here. Right here. And this should just be //misc for miscellaneous. Because it doesn't really belong in a category. It's not food, it's not an upgrade, it's not a tool, it's not armor, and it's not an ingot, nor is it fuck, I'm losing it again. Metadata, metafile, whatever. Meta item. So we can just delete that space and go 2 down. My apologies again for my sister's flute. And we just, of course, want to register item, cardboard. Go down to register renders, // misc register render, and we'll just do cardboard. Okay. So, okay, wait, what did I do? Oh, yeah, because, okay, that's why there's so much extra code, because it's a metafile, because I'm gonna have